Hello guys, today we will discuss CSIR NET 2018 June chemistry booklet number A, 2 marks question, 35 marks question. This is the question on your screen, you can see. So this is the reaction and which one will be the right product among these 4 options we have to determine. So guys, come for the mechanism. So before coming the mechanism, I want to discuss about this compound K3FeCN6. So that means it is a FeCN6 3 minus. So what is the charge here? Iron, it is a Fe plus 3, okay. So that means it is a D5 system, okay. And we know that Cn minus is a strong field ligand, and strong field ligand always prefer the low spin complex. So this is the electronic structure of D5 in the low spin complex, right? So we know that these 5 electron will be in the T2G, okay. So the CFSE will be this 5 into this 0.4 equal to 2 delta 0. So this is the CFS energy of this. But if it will take one more electron, so what will happen? Fe3 plus will convert to Fe plus 2, and in that case it is a D6 system. So D6 means low spin D6, okay. So low spin D6 means what will happen? This all the 6 electron will be in the T2G. So in that case CFSE will be 6 into 0.4. So what will happen? 2.4 delta 0. So CFSE will increase, and that is the highest stability, highest CFSE can be gained in this electronic configuration, okay. And this is not exactly that CFSE, actually that pairing energy we can reduce from this, but I am talking about a comparison point of view. So that means this D6 low spin is more stable than the D5 low spin. Therefore, it will take the 1 electron and it can easily reduce from Fe3 plus to Fe2 plus. So that's why this complex is a electron. So this complex is a electron acceptor. Okay. So this is the starting material is given. Now this OH bond is the most polar bond in this total compound. So therefore this bond will be polarized by this Fe3 plus ion present in that complex. And what will happen? This bond will homolytically cleaved, and what will form? See, this O dot will form and H dot will form. So this H dot, from this H dot it will take a, this Fe3 plus will take a electron, and Fe3 plus will form Fe2 plus, and H dot will form H plus, okay. So this will happen, and here O dot will form. So in this case this will form tertiary butyl, here also tertiary butyl, and here O dot. Now this O dot can go for a resonance like this, and then it can come like this. This bond also come like this. Here this can come like this, and this come like this. So this resonance is possible. So in this resonance what will form? It will form like this. Double bond O will form here. The double bond will come here, because this electron is come, this electron comes, so double bond will come here, and one more electron will come here, so there will be a radical, and this will be tertiary butyl and tertiary butyl. So now you see this radical and this radical, which one is more reactive? So oxygen is more electronegative, hence it will not give its electron. So carbon is less electronegative, therefore this radical it can easily donate. So this radical is more reactive, and it will dimerize with the another same substance, okay, and the another substance will attach with this. So what will form? So that means I will draw here to make you understand. So this will be the another substance, same substance, okay, tertiary butyl, and dot. So these two will merge. So what will form? This will form. So double bond O, so tertiary butyl, and here this one, and then here this will be there, double bond O, here tertiary butyl, and here tertiary butyl, and here hydrogen will be there, okay. Now after oxidation, what will happen? Oxidation means these two hydrogen will be absorbed by the oxygen, and double bond will come here. So it will form this one, double bond O, double bond O, and here tertiary butyl, here also tertiary butyl, here also tertiary butyl, and here also tertiary butyl. So guys, this is the final product. Okay, this is the final product, and now we'll see here. So in these options we can see the option number 1 is the correct answer. So guys, hope you understand this mechanism and you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and subscribe this channel. I will come for the next video tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching this video.